Hey, what's up, y'all? Young baby face back in the building. My name is Imani, and this is Quality Cup Life, where we talk about how to pour into your own cup first. You cannot give what you do not have, and we all want to have a better quality of life, right? So let's pour it up and flow past capacity. All right, so it is like 7 a.m., and so I have coffee today. Can you let me know what you're drinking in the comments today? All right, so today, I wanted to talk about a topic I've spoken to, and recently I've been kind of like going through my own little, I don't want to say little, but my own like challenges with like money and stuff. You know how stuff pops up and you're like, oh crap, I was not expecting this, or just, sometimes you just have just rough seasons sometimes. Things that I've been learning that you need to know in your 20s that, and particularly, I've never been taught. So in this video, we're talking about the top 5 things that you should know about money and be learning about money in your 20s. This video is for people who are like, yo, where is my money that I've been hearing or expecting? Where's the money that I expected to have in my 20s when I was a kid? Where is my family's money? Where is the money that my people, my family are always complaining about that we need? Where is this money? Right? Because this ain't it. It's not giving what it's supposed to give. The math ain't mathing. Like, or if you went to college and you like, you go to college and you set yourself up for a better future. Okay, I finished, but where's this better future? You know what I'm saying? So this is for y'all. At first I started looking in these random places, right? And then it went from that to, okay, let me figure out. So I started looking and studying different people and resources and online courses and stuff, trying to figure out, okay, how is it that people make money, and how is it that people are doing so well financially? Here are the top 5 things that I've learned, and then we have 2 bonus tips at the end. So make sure you stay to the end, because one of the most important ones, or one of the most impactful ones I've discovered, is at the end. Okay, so number 1 is that it's not all about working super hard. And when I learned it, I was like, hold up, what you mean? Because I've been taught you gotta work hard, right? No. So I learned that it's not all about working hard and doing back-breaking work and working all these hours to make more money. It's actually about being very valuable to people, providing people with a valuable product or service. And that means something that people really care about or are really interested about. It's not about working super hard and killing yourself to make some money, because there's a lot of people who are very successful and they chilling. Like, look up Tim Ferriss, the 4-hour work week. My man is killing it, and my man do not be breaking his neck or back, none of that, to make his money. So number 2 is, if you view money, just the concept of money, or people who have money, in a negative light, you will sabotage yourself into never having any. Or if you think that money is hard to make, or you have to break your back, and nobody want to break their back, so you like, I'm not doing all of that. So subconsciously you keep yourself from money. You gotta have to take a look at how you view money and switch it over into a positive light. I can go more into detail in another video. The 3rd thing is, have it set in your mind that whatever happens to me financially is because of the choices that you made. So now that we're in our 20s or maybe early 30s, we have to start taking responsibility for our choices and decisions. And that goes for anything, but in this video, particularly your finances. If you are stuck in a hole right now, it's because of your choices. And that goes for me, you, anybody, right? Okay, so the 4th thing is, make sure that you focus on the opportunity you've been given and not the obstacles. Because if you, there was something that T. Harv Eker said. He said, if you argue for your limitations, you get to keep them. And I read that, and that thing said to my brain. But okay, and then the 5th thing is, do not be afraid to promote yourself or show people what you bring to the table and your value. And I'm not saying be arrogant. Don't be arrogant, but you do need to be confident about what you bring to the table, because if you do not openly and confidently display what you bring, people are not going to believe you, and people can smell that on you. And I know that's one of the big mistakes that I have been continuously making, and I'm working on that. And we all have to just, once you figure out, okay, this is what I got, you gotta shove it in people's faces, basically. So that's just what it is. All right, so now we've made it to the bonus. All right, so the first bonus is learn to leverage what you have and make the most out of it. Squeeze the heck out of those resources, right? Okay, so one thing that you might have to leverage is time, because a lot of times when you're younger, especially if you don't have kids yet, you have a lot more time than you think you do, right? If you're a single person with no kids, bro, you got time. At some points of seasons is refund season, or it might be about over, but not too long ago it was refund check season. That's money that you can leverage for books or courses or classes or whatever. It could be people that you're aware of. It could be classes that you have close to you. You can leverage whatever you have. You got to leverage it. All right, y'all. And then the second bonus tip is make sure that you set your own expectations for what you want in your life. Because I know a lot of people who have parents or who have family members, or maybe the pressure comes from social media to have a certain thing by this age, and you got to have a house, a 4-bedroom house at 25 or 26, and you gotta have this nice new car when you get out of college, and you gotta have this, and you gotta be living on your own at this age. And this is like, you need to stop, like close out the noise and figure out what is it that you want for your life, and then you set that up, those expectations for yourself. Do not let other people tell you what you should and should not have. All right, y'all, hopefully this was helpful today. This blessed my soul, to be honest, so hopefully it blessed yours too. If I missed anything or you have any additional thoughts, comment them down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I appreciate the everything out of all of y'all. Thank you so much, and I'll see you later.